One of the things that we need in academia is sensitization to sustainable development. If you look at academia today, there are perhaps specific departments which deal with sustainable development. By and large, this is something which is not emphasized in our overall curriculum. So more so what happens is if you are in a curriculum or in a department specifically dealing with those aspects like environmental engineering, you will talk about sustainable development. All these things involve use of chemicals at some point or the other. Everybody has talked about fertilizers, natural fertilizer, organic fertilizers, synthetic fertilizers, etc. Again, chemicals are involved out here. So what we thought it was important to have, and this is a required course for all our students. It is not an elective, not something that only a few people would look at it, okay. So similarly, we want to bring in aspects of sustainable development, aspects of environment into the overall curriculum out there. Thing that we are perhaps going to emphasize a lot more is energy. We are starting a department of energy systems engineering. Other IITs are also starting it. I came from IIT Bombay. I was there for 22 years before I took charge here at IIT Hyderabad. They have also started a similar department. I think this is very, very crucial, is essentially research, development and education for energy systems. I think we need to create a corpus for public-private partnership. We talked about business incubators, and I have been involved with a business incubator at Bombay called SINE, Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. I'm aware of another business incubator at IISc Bangalore called SIT, Society for Innovation and Development. One of the biggest bottleneck is having seed funding. Most of the time our work stops in a business incubator once we create the buildings, maybe provide internet access, provide certain other kind of telephony, etc., etc. But eventually when a youngster wants to start a company, he needs seed funding.